create something.
Hey guys, today we're testing out the big boy ukulele. It's Galaxy, I know.
Stay out there and don't look at me yet. Don't look. I have a surprise for you.
Okay.
Don't look at me. Go back out there. Go back. Hi.
He's a beautiful surprise for us. Yes. Are you excited for the surprise? Comment down below if you're excited. Like and subscribe.
Okay, I'm ready. I don't like this game.
Stop.
Okay.
Today we're testing out how many hits it takes to kill you. Go out there, Jaden.
Okay, let's go.
Stop. Actually, Jaden, you're grief. Okay. So,
First, let's see how much
One.
damage. Okay, so that's one hit, and that's how much damage it does.
okay. 2,
1, 2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7. Wait. 6, 7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10,
10,
11,
11,
12,
12,
13. 13
hits.
hits. Is how many things it takes.
That's a lot of hits.
13 to kill one
Let's compare it to
man.
stick.
And actually,
I gotta reset.
right there.
1, 2, step in a. Okay.
Get 3. 1, 2, step in a bucket.
Compared to a stick,
Yeah, you're gonna have a lot of hits for that.
so that takes 14 hits. How many does a stick take? Go out, go out, go out. One, two,
1,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9, 10.
11. 11. So the stick is better by
the stick.
2. Is better by
Oh, there
2. Now we're gonna
Better
test
by-
out how much.
Better by
does-
2.5. It's better by 2.5 because at 10 hits, I was at like a quarter of health.
Oh yeah. Okay.
I'm not
So-
dying anymore, Hayden.
Okay. Well, that's the end of the video. We're just comparing it. It's pretty weak. Don't use it. But yeah. Bye, everybody. See y'all in the next.